Yeah, so much for them fingernails. I may just paint them a solid color. How are you supposed to be able to pull that belt? Crap. Okay, so if I put the belt, I'm just gonna do it differently. Oh my gosh. Put the belt on it. Okay. And then we get that there. Okay, that's on it. This might be what you can put around the videos. Nope. Right there. Okay. I'm gonna put this thing on backwards. Because when I get it over here, that needs to go on upside down. Oh, some bit. I mean, darn it. Now, how do I get the rope out of there, Bubba? Damn it. Oh, if it's not one thing, it's another. I will cut this sucker. Oh, there it went. I got it. Yay. Let me just say, the belt is back on. But I think this is supposed to go down. Maybe it'll go down in a minute. Okay. You see what happens? It's got a flat, but I don't care. Crap, where's the, here it is. Okay. Come on, baby. It died.